So yeah, I was just sitting here, you know, just about to turn on some TV. Thought maybe I'd watch a show or two, you know. Then I remembered there was something I was supposed to do. Yeah, I'm supposed to be making some edible blood. Completely forgot. So anyway, want to go make it with me? Let's go. Okay, so this is all you need. I have a something to put it in, and I'm just making a little bit. So this, I just washed it, so sorry, it's a little wet. Dry it. So anyway, I'm just using a little 4-ounce mason jar here to put it in, because I can put the lid on it too when I'm done and save it for when I need it another time. Measuring spoons, corn syrup, light corn syrup. I use a light. You can probably use dark too. And then some cocoa powder. And then I also use optionally just a cup of hot water so that I can heat up. That's what I'm going to do now. Heat up my metal spoon because it makes it much easier to get the corn syrup out if you do that. You can also put some oil on your spoon if you want to before you pour the cornstarch in, but in this recipe I don't want any oil. So I'm just going to put the metal spoon in some hot water and let it sit there for a minute. So, and then that makes it much easier. And then another option to add some flavor is just some vanilla extract. You can use any extract you want to use, but right now I just have some vanilla. So let's see here. Now we're just going to use 2 parts corn syrup to 1 part of cocoa powder. Very easy. Very, very, very easy. So, actually, I will start with the cocoa powder. And I only need a little bit of this, so you can double, triple, quadruple. I'll put the recipe probably below so that you can see it and use it as you need. So, we're just going to do, I got 1 teaspoon here, and I'm just going to do 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. And then, let me put this back in this warm water. Keep that sucker warm. I'm going to open this. If I can open this. Hold on, let me run that under some hot water. Okay. Just ran that lid under some hot water. And then, there we go. Comes off there. Then, dry that. And we will do 2 tablespoons, or 2 teaspoons rather, sorry. 1, and then 2. And then stir it. You can see it's starting to come together. The other ingredient I forgot was the red for the blood. And I always use liquid gel colors, the Chef Master ones. Those are some of my favorites right now. Way better than like the Wilton ones or anything like that, because they come in these nice squeeze bottles. So Let's start off with one squeeze there. Oh, that was two, but it should be fine. See that color already? And just keep mixing until you get all that cocoa powder incorporated. At this point too, you can add, if you're going to do any extracts, you can add that in as well. See that? Looks good, doesn't it? And you can adjust the red. It's not the correct color that you want, but this is perfect to me. If you want to make it a little darker, you can also add in a little bit of black, actually, which I'm going to do. Because I just want, I like that dark blood. So a little bit. Come on. There you go. And there. There you can see. There's our blood. Blood. And you can use this in your cakes. You can put this on some cookies. Anything where you want this. And you can see. So if it's too thick for you, you can always heat it in the microwave. And then put it on whatever you need it to be on. And you can see it moves fairly good. So, let's see here. Put some on my hand so you can see it. Makes it look really dark right there, but yep. So, now that that's done, try to get as much in there as I can. No, I can just save it for later. Cover it with my lid here. Just cover it with my lid. Save it for when we need it.